Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera supports motion detection and has the latest firmware. This prevents unpredictable behavior. Once done, mount the camera where motion will cross the frame. Sideways motion triggers better than direct approach, so you reduce false alerts. Make sure the power method is stable. PoE for reliability, plug-in for convenience, battery for flexibility. After powering, open the camera app and create or log into your account so you can access live view and settings immediately. You now configure the detection zones and sensitivity. This is the core of reliable alerts. Open zone settings, draw or select areas to monitor, and exclude trees or streets. Once zones are set sensitivity around 50% and test by walking the path to gauge triggers. Make sure to enable a schedule so detection runs only when needed, and pick clip length between 10 and 30 seconds depending on how much context you want. Finally, enable push notifications and cloud or local recording so events are safe. You finish by thoroughly testing the system. Walk through each zone and review the recordings, checking that clips capture relevant motion and notifications arrive promptly. If something fails, reboot the camera and check for firmware updates before changing settings. This fixes many issues. If you still get false alerts, reduce sensitivity, shrink or reshape detection areas, or change the camera angle to remove moving foliage or busy roadways from the frame. Keep iterating until alerts match real events reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.